Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Umbrella EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a trend following system that uses a proprietary indicator together with a martingale grid. So let's break down the claims carefully. As you can see, the EA goes for just 30 US dollars. And from the MKO5 page, I'm just going to expand this. You can see that Umbrella Expert Advisor is described as a trend following trading system powered by a proprietary indicator. As you can see, it incorporates a martingale grid strategy to manage and position trades. The EA is designed to work across currency pairs and timeframes, with particularly strong claims on highly trending instruments such as XAUUSD on the M15 timeframe. It also supports major pairs like EUR-USD, GBP-USD, USD-CAD, AUD-USD, and others on M15 or higher timeframes like H1 for more accuracy. Users can control buy and sell directions, enable or disable new series, manage manual orders, and optionally use hedging. The core money management approach is grid-based with slot multiplier, maximum order limits, distance settings, which could be either fixed or dynamic, and optional overlap of the first and last orders to help reduce drawdown. So um, the key features include the proprietary trend indicator, martingale grid logic with lot multiplier, and max lot controls, optional hedging, virtual or view take profit slash stop loss slash trailing, time filters, spread filter, auto lot calculation, and the ability to overlap the first and last orders after a certain level. There are extensive parameters for distance between orders, dynamic distance activation, pause between orders, and session or hour controls. The system is positioned as flexible for both gold and major forex pairs. So we have some screenshots here from the developer. Let's take a look. You can see for an initial deposit of $30,000. I see that the total net profits in the screenshot here is almost $60,000. We have $59,306. There was a profit factor of 2.14 and then a balance drawdown of 7.31%. The recovery factor was 2.66. You can also see how the equity curve looks pretty smooth. Barring the little volatility here and there, the step-like movements. But overall, you can see that it trends almost in like a straight 45-degree angle line to the upside. And it looks pretty decent. But this is just what we have on the developer side. So let's take it with a pinch of salt and actually compare it to our own personal backtests. And that's what I actually did. I was able to carry out backtests on this EA to see if it actually holds up to what the developer claims on the sites and these results we have here. So let's quickly go over to MT5 and take a look. As you can see, I made use of the recommended XAUUSD on the recommended M15 time frame. And looking at my backtests on an initial deposit of $10,000, as you can see, the equity curve shows um, actually a downward movement. As you can see, the performance is quite opposite to what we have on the developer site. You can see it's quite different. See, it actually moves in the opposite direction, almost like a 45-degree line to the downside, as opposed to the upward movement we had on the developer sides. So that's actually a pretty bad result, as you can see in the reports here. You can see for the initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit, or in this case net loss, was $1,211, which was a loss. The profit factor was below 1, which is bad, actually quite low at 0.49, and the balance drawdown was 12.11%. So you can see that it's actually quite different or opposite to what the developer claims. In the developer's screenshots, you could see better performance and a smoother equity curve to the upside and pretty decent gains. But in my own personal backtest, you could see that that actually didn't hold true for the period. I actually tested it for a 1 year period, as I said, from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. So it didn't hold true for my testings. Um, So it's important to know that the visual smoothness of any signal test, as you can see here, can be misleading. Grid and martingale strategies often look controlled until a strong, sustained adverse move forces larger position sizes and deeper equity pressure. Alright, so the proprietary indicator aims to bias entries towards the prevailing trend, which can reduce the frequency of recovery sequences in trending markets. On gold M15, this can work during clean directional phases, but the same logic can struggle when the market ranges or reverses sharply. Honestly, the features that matter most to me are the maximum number of orders, the lot multiplier, the distance settings, and whether hedging or order overlap is enabled. These parameters directly control how aggressive the recovery becomes. Even with a trend filter, the grid component remains the dominant risk factor. Alright, so that's basically what we have. Overall, the Umbrella EA is a trend following system with a proprietary indicator and martingale grid money management. It offers flexibility across pairs and timeframes, but the recovery method is the primary risk driver. Thorough demo testing with conservative parameters and realistic expectations are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.